Hey friends, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. Glad to have you. Hopefully you'll enjoy the video and please consider subscribing. Today we are going to make a reversible sign. So I want a Christmas sign, but I want the sign to be able to go further than Christmas. So I'm going to put this Winter Wonderland on the back. So Winter Wonderland, this design is in Design Space. Just search Winter Wonderland. It was one of the first ones that popped up. The Candy Cane Lane sign, on the other hand, is actually from designbundles.net. So you'll have to go there. The file, when I got it, I was able to get it for free, but it was part of a bundle that was free. I don't know if it's still free at this point, but it was pretty inexpensive to buy it on its own. So take a search through the website and hopefully you'll be able to find the file. The only thing you have to be careful on, I got a few here, just going to add a new one in just so you can see. So there it is there, and it's not properly set up where all the colors are attached. So all the little candies are all attached. So you got to detach all the candies. You have to detach the candy canes and then highlight all the individual colors and attach them. Hopefully that makes sense. I've already done it on mine up above. It's already sized the way we want it, so I don't have to worry about that. But I'm going to get this cut out and I'll show you the sign I'm going to put it on and we'll get it all layered properly. So everything is cut out. I've already pre-weeded everything. So we're going to start with the Winter Wonderland side. Now Cricut has it lined up, the bottom of the snowflake lines up with the bottom of Wonderland. You could probably move that around however you like. Okay, let's do the other side. So I'm just going to use my brayer on this one because it's the Oracle vinyl is what I used for the red, and it does not lay as flat as Cricut. So one thing on the Cricut brand that I do like, that it lays pretty flat when you're putting the transfer tape on and everything. I'm gonna burnish this really well because we've got all the small little pieces here. So there we go, all done. This side, the Winter Wonderland, was super easy. 2 colors, they went on perfect. I had one little miss up in the vinyl, but actually I think I just got it out. So we're all good. Now the other side is absolutely adorable. I love it. Just be forewarned. If you make this file smaller, it's going to be hard to weed out. So you saw, even though I sped it up, or I'm going to speed it up, the transferring with the transfer tape and even getting it to lay down was causing me nothing but grief. But you know what? I think this one's worth it. I can't wait to put this up, and when Christmas is done, I'm going to flip it over. But there you go. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.